Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Today is Tuesday, August 23. It's about midday. We're looking at a chart of data, and we're looking at one of my gap trades from this morning. Most of you know that I teach a course at LazyGapTrader.com on how to trade the morning gaps and gap fill trades. And I want to show you one of the selections from today. Now, I also put out trades to my members who subscribe to get my gap trades each and every day. I put out a list of, could be anywhere from 1 to 2, sometimes it's 4 or 5, anywhere in between. These are the best of the best that I find each and every day of stocks that are gapping up or down at the open. That's what gap trading is all about. It's about finding opportunity. So when a stock is gapping up or down at the open because of a news event, maybe it's earnings or some other reason, it creates an opportunity for traders because A, we know nothing trades in a straight line. And B, if we can identify a level where that stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction, if a stock is gapping up at the open, where's that going to find resistance? How can I find that level where that stock is going to find resistance? On the other side, if a stock is gapping down at the open, $4, $5, $6, where can I find that level where that stock is going to find some institutional buying? Institutional buying is going to put a support underneath the stock, and it's going to have a price reaction in the other direction. If I can find that level, I can make money. Stocks gapping up or down at the open creates opportunity for traders that understand how to trade the gaps and understand how to trade the gaps the way I teach it at LazyGapTrader.com. So let's take a look at Tableau today. Data, D-A-T-A is the ticker. But before we do, let's take a look at the email that was sent to my subscribers early this morning with my gap trades for the day. Now here's the email. This comes out at about 9 a.m. before the market opens. The market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. My email comes out a half an hour roughly before the market opens. This morning we had identified 4 potential gap trades: Best Buy, Tableau or Data, Mobileye, and Monsanto. Now the other 3 didn't hit the levels that I specified as the premier level where I had the best risk reward or the highest probability of success in having a price reaction in the other direction. But Tableau did hit a level. You can see here I say a gap higher, and the resistance levels are 61.75 and 66.29. You'll note the stop and profit target is about 50 to 60 cents. So let's take a look exactly what happened to Tableau. So here I've taken it down to a 5-minute chart, and you can see down in this area here, the stock closed yesterday $54.88. The stock gapped higher at the open today, opening up here, continuing to trade throughout the morning higher until it hit the level. You can see my trend line that I've drawn on the chart, $61.75. As soon as it came into $61.75, it traded as high as $61.84, well within the stop loss limitation I specified in the email that went out to subscribers. And then, as you can see, just a few minutes later, the stock was at a low of $61.08, representing a maximum gain of 67 cents. But you'll note from the email, I specified a target of 50 cents to 60 cents. So some traders may have taken their profit at 50 cents, 55, 60. Either way, it's a winning trade. It was a relatively easy trade. We weren't out of the money for more than a few pennies, for more than a few seconds, and immediately the stock pulled back, doing exactly what it should have done at the level of $61.75 given out at 9 a.m. this morning. I teach you how to trade the morning gaps and gap fill trades in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. Come check it out, folks. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in, folks.